Hey, so today you're going to be using Google Drawings and Flipgrid. I'm going to teach you how to do that right now. So if you go into today's work, you're going to see the Alan Bitmoji classroom. This is me as a Bitmoji, and this is my thing that I chose to represent me or something that I love. This is my dog Jasmo. He's super sweet. And so I uploaded a photo of him from my computer, which is the one I'm working on. You can do that if you use your own computer, or you can do a Google search. So here's Google. If I wanted to search fireworks, I would just type the word in and search images. Then I say Control and save image as fireworks. Save. Now it's in my downloads. So I'm going to come back here. I'm going to say Insert Image, Upload from Computer, and I'm looking for fireworks. I have too many things in here. Maybe it's on my desktop. Yep, fireworks. Okay. And then you can resize it. You can put it wherever you want to. If for any reason like something gets messed up, or like maybe you delete part of the picture, you do Command Z. Command Z is super important. It gets rid of anything that you've done. You can do it as many times as you want to get back to what you had before. Okay, so once you've got your image in there, you are going to go back to the classroom, click on Flipgrid, and that's going to take you right to our class. When you get in here, here's some instructions. You're going to record your name, what image or item you picked, where I can see it in the Bitmoji classroom, and most importantly, why it represents you. So I'm going to say record a response. You're going to have 1 minute to record it. You can have multiple attempts, just like it's 1 minute that I'll be seeing. So here's an option if you'd like to. You can say record screen. So we'll see how this works because I'm actually on a screen recording app already. But we're going to say start screen recording, pick whatever you have there, say share, and then it's going to start recording in that. Stop recording. In that. In that. Okay. And it was starting to play it for me already, but that's a way you can like show me your item in the classroom. You can talk about it. There'll be a little thing with you in it at the bottom of the screen, I think. So yeah, that's what you got to do. Good luck. There is a technology help doc if you do need help, if you get stuck with something along the way. Don't worry about your videos being perfect. It's just kind of a fun way for us to get to know each other. All right, see you soon.